272 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 272. Therefore, 272 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 8.9238845144 feet. So, in other words, 272 centimeters equals 8.9238845144 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.